Hello my friends, Rune again. Another function testing of the Umarex TP50 Gen 2 50 caliber paintball pistol. This is the 7.5mm version that I removed the valve block on. Last time I tested it with the Quattrovolante, the barrel shot out. The small piece in here snapped. I have glued everything after cleaning the parts with the acetone, making sure there was no grease or oil or anything. Then I glued everything with epoxy, and I also chamfered the edge on the entrance to the barrel. So this time I hope it will stay in place. I don't think the barrel itself will break, but maybe the plastic frame part here, if anything breaks. I hope not. So I will use 12.5mm steel balls, just like last time. Here is the valve block on the 7.5mm version. The 11mm and 13mm version of this. The old one was the 11mm. Well, they don't have the valve block, but they have a restrictor. This one does not have a restrictor. So this is like double deleted. Nothing down the gas tube there. So it should be interesting. Oops. Remember the pin to lock it in place. Like so. Looks cool. And should give a boost in power. Silicone spray, as always. It's starting to get empty, but I bought another one. Good healthy dose down there. I noticed the last time I used it, the pressure indicator was stuck in the outside part. So I have to, when I was draining it with CO2, I had to push it back in. When releasing the CO2 from the system, I use this one normally, but last time I had to tinker with the pressure indicator. Umarex CO2 canister. Let me put a little drop of silicone oil on the tip there too, just for good measure, and a little bit on the threads and o-ring. Always a good idea. Another thing I want to mention, the Borner Vesta I have. Well, it holds gas, no problem, but the trigger jams. It is impossible to use it. So, not sure if it is still under warranty. I don't think so. So one day I will have to open it up and take a look. Maybe I can use it as some sort of project thing for something. We will see. Let's load it up. Oh yes, I put this in place, so I have to load it from the front. Then you can see how you load the magazine. This thing has a magazine too. A speed loader, you can say. Six balls. Yes, ready to rock and roll. So, let's check the temperature and then see what sort of corona numbers we get. 21 degrees Celsius, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. Okay, let's see how it goes. Hope everything stays in place. Gas it up. 8 gram steel balls. 262. 284. A louder crack that time. $267. $273, quite stable velocity. $267. $275. Very nice, stable, high velocity. That was 6 shots. Okay. 2 more shots. $261. $262. Yeah. This time it worked great, and very stable velocity too. Maybe enough gas for 1 or 2 more shots. Maybe. As you can see, same thing happened. Pressure indicator is stuck in the outside position. Just push it in. Yes, cool pistol. Make sure to check out quattrovolante.com if you are interested in the extended barrel thing with the speed loader underneath. Yes. Okay, just a little function test. So, stay tuned for more videos. Hope you like this one. Thank you for watching.